by showing us two bears, very intent on investigating a man staying in a tree stand while on a bow hunting trip. At first, only one of the predators can be seen in the video, and the man already has his bear spray aimed at the animal. Black bears are naturally curious creatures, so he understandably tries his best not to startle the predator. The second bear seems to be the bravest of the two, as it makes the most frightening move a hunter could ever dream of.